Welcome to my channel. On this video, I will show you how to borrow or take a loan of up to 500,000 Naira instantly without collateral from Okash or Opay. After gaining access to your Opay account, what you have to do next is to click the Finance button, located at the bottom of the app. On it, you need to choose between Ease Money or Okash loan platform. These two platforms are capable of lending over 500,000 Naira. But you need to borrow from Okash because it is a subsidiary of Opay. In other words, Opay payment platform partially owns the loan app. So click on the Okash symbol, and open with Google Play Store or Apple Store. Download the Okash loan and install on your phone. Then locate and open the app from your phone. Allow the platform to send and view SMS text messages. Input your phone number on the empty box. Please do not add the first 0, make sure you add only 10 digits, and then click Sign Up. An OTP will be sent to your phone inbox. Copy and paste the OTP on the box. Proceed to create a 4-digit password and submit. After submitting your new password, you have to agree with their terms and conditions by clicking I agree. Then allow Okash to use the location information of your device. It is harmless. Now that we are finally on the loan app, there are some things you need to know about this platform before you apply for a loan. 1. You can borrow 10,000 Nairas up to 500,000 Nairas. 2. You can only apply a loan by your credit score. Okash don't need any deposits or guarantee. 3. They require your repayments from 91 days to 365 days. 4. You must be 20 to 65 years old before you can borrow from this platform. Now you can apply for a loan on this platform by clicking Apply Now. After that, all you have to do is to fill out your basic informations and submit. I don't want to go further to collect a loan, due to some reason, but you can go ahead. After the submission, you may receive a call for verification. The final application result will be shown in the app, and you will be informed by SMS if approved. E-sign the loan agreement after the approval. After the e-sign, the approved loan amount will be disbursed into your account shortly, and a SMS notification will be sent. And that is the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.